In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly mask your image so that you can add clouds behind objects using Photoshop. Now, because these clouds tend to work best on images that have very clear blue skies, masking the image is going to be very easy. Let's go ahead and just start out by adding a couple of clouds. In the Layers panel, I'm going to add a new blank layer, and I'm going to make sure that I'm painting with white. Next, I'll choose a cloud in the list. And I'll go ahead and add my first cloud here in the sky. And then I'm going to select another cloud. And for this image, I'd kind of like to offset it a little bit here on the right. And of course, I want it to be behind the building. So I'm going to go back over to my Layers panel. And first, I'm going to hide that layer of clouds that I just created. Next, I'm going to select my background layer. Go up to Select, Color Range. I'm going to make sure that I have sampled colors selected up here in the top. I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to hold my Shift key and then keep clicking until I have a pretty good white sky there. And you can see in that little example, all of that white area is going to be the part that is selected in my photo. I'll go ahead and click OK. And now I have marching ants, which are representing where that selection is. With this selection still active, I'm going to activate that top layer, select it so it's the active layer, and then at the bottom of the Layers panel, I'm going to click Add Layer Mask. And now I have a very nice mask, so these clouds are now sitting behind the building. Now, the best part about this mask on a separate layer is if I wanted to start over and, let's say, reposition or completely redo the clouds, all I need to do is delete what I have inside of this layer. So I'm going to click on the layer, do Command or Control A to select all, and then delete all of those clouds. And then to deselect, use the keyboard shortcut Command or Control D. Then I'll go back over to my brush panel, choose a cloud, add it to my image, and because I have that mask already in place over in the Layers panel, it's going to make those clouds appear behind the building.